me and I'm a good fashion, travel, lifestyle, there was a lot more. I recently did a video in which I shared my top 10 under 500 skincare edition and you guys seem to love it, so I thought let's do a makeup one. And instead of me talking here and telling you about the products, I thought let me give you a practical version. So I have created this makeup look using all drugstore products, using all products which are under 500 rupees and artbomb.com. I love all of these products. These are all my holy grails and I definitely want to share it with you guys. So I hope you guys will enjoy the video. I hope you guys will enjoy this makeup tutorial and I hope you guys will enjoy using these products too. So let's get started. So guys, let's start with the primer, and this is the primer which I have with me right here. This is from Inside. This is a silicone based primer and this is a very good one. You just need like very little amount. Just apply it all over your face, not really all over your face, on all the place you have pores. So that's mainly my nose area, my cheek area and little bit of my forehead. You can, you know, just push the excess to rest of your face but concentrate it here. Now it's totally your choice. You want to do eyes first or you want to do the base first. So the eyeshadows which I'm going to be using today do not have much fallout, so I'm going to do the base first and then we'll move to the eyes. So for my base I'm going to use my trusted Fit Me concealer. This is a very good one. This is one of the best concealers, like best drugstore concealers. You should definitely try this out. This is my second or maybe third tube. It's that good. Just apply a little bit. Not really little bit, but yeah, okay. If I'm looking down, that's because I have a mirror there, so just please excuse me on that. Just blend it. The beauty blender I'm using is from I guess Blue Heaven. This is also like under 500 bucks, so that's amazing. Okay, so as you can see, this concealer also has a lot of coverage, but we're gonna use a very nice foundation, and the foundation we're gonna use is this one. This is the Lakme 95 Primer Plus Matte. This is a very nice matte foundation and it's one of the best drugstore foundations. I really love it. Just take the spatula, apply it all over your face. You might feel this is not my shade, but this oxidizes a little, so it will come to my shade super soon. What I've seen most girls do is they definitely use foundation, but they use just like drops of it and then they do not get the coverage, and then they say that this foundation is just like nothing, kuch coverage nahi mila and stuff. So what I'll suggest you is that use a good amount of foundation and just not use like very little. If you use a good amount, only then you will get some nice coverage. As you can see, it's so easily blendable. My base looks so good and I'm just gonna blend it all in. Before moving on to my eyes, you're gonna set this base in place. So for that I'm gonna be using my Fit Me loose powder. So I'm so sorry I couldn't find any loose powder which is under 500 rupees and is amazing, so I found this. So this is on sale right now and it's like for 13 rupees, so I think that just, you know, goes along, and that's why I've chosen this, otherwise I would not have. So now and whenever you have to set your base, just make sure that there are no crease lines. Just merge it once and then take the powder and apply it. This way there will be no crease lines. Otherwise, if there are already crease lines and you set your face, your powder will set in the crease lines, so the crease lines will be there always. Now I'm going to take a nice fluffy brush and just set my full face. Nowadays, as we have to wear masks all the time, so make sure to set your full face, otherwise all your makeup will be on the mask and we don't want that, right? So set your full face. Otherwise, earlier I didn't used to set my full face, but now because of the mask I definitely do. और ये वाला portion तो बहुत अच्छे से करना चाहिए, because here is where your mask will come. Okay, so now let's move on to the eyes, and for the eyes I have this OG palette. This is such a good one. This is from Wet n Wild. As you can see, this is a palette on which I've hit pan on two shades. Like there's this transition shade and this one is a glitter shade, and I have hit pan on both of them. So that says that it is a very nice eyeshadow palette. The pigmentation is amazing, the color payoff is amazing. Let me swatch two shades and show it to you. Like, can you see that? Let me swatch it here. Oh my god, Can you see how pigmented these shades are? This is just amazing. I would highly recommend you guys to try out this palette. And I'm also going to fill my eyebrows using this palette only. So for that you need a nice angled brush, like a very thin angled brush. And I'm gonna take the dark brown shade here. So I'm gonna just take this and then apply it on my eyebrows. Can you see the difference? It just makes your eyebrows look so good. I love it. I love this one, and this brush is also very nice. I got it from Mehak Kawatra. She's a makeup artist and I attended one of her classes, so I got it from there. Just whenever you're doing eyebrows, just take your light hand and just go in small strokes and my eyebrows are done. Okay, so for my eyeshadow today I'm gonna go for a light brown smoky eye. So for that we are gonna start with this transition shade right here. So I'm gonna take a nice fluffy blending brush and apply it all over my crease. After loads of blending, I'm gonna take the dark brown shade right here and I'm gonna take it in, just deepen my crease. I am okay with my crease, but if you want you can build it up and, you know, do more dark shades in the corner, but I am right now done. So now I'm gonna take this golden shade right here. I'm gonna use my finger because glitters with fingers look amazing. So I'm gonna take this golden shade and just apply it on the centers. Can you see how pigmented it is? Just gonna apply it here. That's it. Once I'm done applying it, I'm gonna take a brush and just blend it all in, like the corners, so that there are no harsh lines. You can leave your makeup look right here, but I want to take it a notch higher, and I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadows. These are amazing. This comes in amazing shades and these are like for 200 rupees, so worth your money. I would highly recommend you guys to try this out. So I have them in two shades, rose gold and gold, and I think gold will go today. So this comes with like a nice doe foot applicator, which is so easy to use. I'm just gonna apply it on the centers of my eye and just blend it, and you will see how pigmented it is. The best part about this is not very chunky. The glitters aren't very chunky and it just gives a very nice effect. Can you see that? I love it. Now let's do the eyeliner and mascara before we move to the face. So for my eyeliner, I have the Lakme Iconic one. This is such a good budget friendly eyeliner. Since the day I have tried this, I have not used any other eyeliner, and I would highly recommend you guys to try this out. This is such a budget friendly amazing eyeliner. This the wand is very thin, it's very nice, and you know, it just glides on so easily. So I've done a very chotu sa wing, and for my mascara today I'm gonna use the Lakme Like It Long mascara. This is one of the newest edition in my collection and I quite like it. It's very nice and it just gives length to your eyes, basically, as the name suggests. The bristles of this mascara are like very thin, like very fine, just to give the proper length. And I applied my mascara naturally. Like, I had to do this, I know. I'm gonna remove this mascara later, let it dry, and then we remove it. And I'm also going to apply a little bit of kajal. So I'm gonna use the Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. This is also one of the newest launch, and it's a great, nice pigmented kajal which does not smudge. So that's amazing. It's a very nice budget-friendly kajal. I'm gonna like line my lower waterline, just literally like line it. And this just completes my eye look. I'm definitely gonna put some falsies later, but now this is done, and now let's bring you back and move to the face. Okay, so let's start with the contour, and I'm gonna use this Sugar Face palette today. So all of these products come in like different sizes, and like all of this comes in like different packagings, like the highlighter alag se, bronzer and contour alag se, and the blush alag se. So you can get it, and all of those are like under 500 rupees. So I thought it will be a great thing to include this palette because all the products in this one are nice. So I'm gonna take the contour brush on this dense brown, not brown basically, but it's brown, but it doesn't. Okay, so I'm gonna take a dense brush and I'm gonna use it for my contour. I'm just gonna apply the contour right here, like starting from my ear and just to match my lip line. So I'm just gonna apply it here. Do not forget to take your bronzer or your contour into the hairline. It just ties the look together. For the blush, this is a very nice pink shade right here, but today I'm in a mood of a little peach shade, so I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. This is in the shade Mellow Wine. As you can see, the highlight of this, I've used this so much, and this is a nice peachy corally shade, and I'm looking for that today. So this is also like under 500 rupees. It's so pigmented. As you can see, it's just one application. It just looks so gorgeous, and this is like one of my top blushes I've ever used. So yeah. So now before we move on to the highlight, I want to set my face, and for that we need a fixing spray. So I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. This is such a good one. This is like one of the most cheapest fixer you'll ever get, and this is such a good fixer. So I'm going to close my eyes and just so now let's put on some highlighter. So I'm going to use the Sugar palette again, and I'm going to take a brush and just, can you see that? Can you see that glow? This highlighter is so bomb. I love it. This just gives such a healthy glow, little bit on the bridge of my nose and on the tip. It's not glittery, it does not have any stark particles, but it's just so nice. Now I have one last step for my makeup, which is the lipstick. So I'm gonna mix two shades, but you can definitely use even one. And these are one of the best liquid lipsticks under budget which I've ever tried. These are like 400 each. These are the My Glam LIT liquid lipsticks. These are such good lipsticks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the peach shade right here, which is actually shade number 20, which is Boo. So I'm gonna apply it all over my lips. The Sonotone also looks amazing on me, but this is too bright for something which I'm going for today. So I'm going to use the shade 24, which is Micro Cheating. It's a very nice dark chocolatey brown. So I'm going to take it and apply it on the inner lips, and then I'm going to blend it with my fingers like this. And I know I look very funny right now, but this just turns into such a beautiful shade and looks amazing. Now I'll go off camera, put on my falsies, and just come back in a minute. Okay guys, so my lashes are on, and the lashes I've used are one by Nykaa. These are the Lash Dog Keeping It Real. These are for like 200 rupees, and they look bomb. Like, these are like, actually they keep it real. And I really like how they look on my face, and that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this full face of using products only 500 rupees, and the makeup look turned out to be bomb, didn't it? I love it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys super soon in another video. Do not forget to check out all the videos linked in the description, because I know you'll love it. Bye bye guys. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Ta-da!